In this video, we'll show you the 3 worst ingredients that can make you blind without you even knowing it. And the last one will truly surprise you. But before we reveal them, you need to understand why these ingredients are so dangerous. They don't just damage your eyes overnight. They quietly build up for years. Therefore, if you know what they are and what to do instead, you can actually protect and even reverse early eye damage. So grab your seat, because every minute of this video connects another piece of a puzzle your doctor might never tell you. Why do some people keep crystal clear vision into their 90s, but others develop glaucoma, cataracts, or macular degeneration in their 50s, even with a so-called healthy lifestyle? The truth is, they've been exposed to ingredients that look safe on the label, but act like slow acid inside the eyes. Therefore, learning what to remove from your daily routine is just as important as knowing what vitamins to take. Now, let's uncover the first hidden culprit. The first worst ingredient is synthetic iron fortification. The iron added to cereals, breads, and energy foods. It sounds healthy, but the form used is often metallic iron filings, the same kind that sticks to a magnet. Inside your body, that metal doesn't dissolve cleanly. It oxidizes. Therefore, it builds up in your retina, creating what scientists call oxidative stress, tiny sparks that rust your vision from within. Here's the scary part. People who eat fortified foods daily can accumulate decades of damage without feeling a thing until vision blurs. What to do instead? Switch to whole food iron sources like spinach, lentils, or grass-fed beef, and take gentle chelated iron only if your doctor confirms deficiency. The second ingredient hides in almost every kitchen: refined vegetable oils like corn, soybean, or canola oil. They're marketed as heart-healthy, but these oils are loaded with unstable omega-6 fats that turn toxic when heated. Therefore, they release lipid peroxides, molecules proven to damage retinal cells and increase macular degeneration risk by up to 70%. Imagine your retina as a camera lens. These oils fog it up every time you cook. What to do instead? Cook with cold-pressed olive, coconut, or avocado oil, which stay stable under heat and protect your eyes from oxidative stress. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, because in our next whiteboard video, we'll show you the 3 vitamins that can reverse early eye damage and rebuild your vision naturally. Now, let's reveal the final and most shocking ingredient, the one most people never suspect. The last worst ingredient isn't in your food, but before we dive into that, at the end of this video, we explain important actions to do instead. The surprising ingredients, it's in your skincare and beauty products. Many anti-aging creams, sunscreens, and makeup contain BHA and BHT, synthetic preservatives that stop oils from spoiling. They sound harmless, but your skin absorbs them easily, and therefore they accumulate in fatty tissues, including the optic nerve. You apply it around your eyes to look younger, yet it might silently speed up vision loss. Animal studies have linked long-term BHA and BHT exposure to retinal toxicity and nerve inflammation, both precursors to blindness. What to do instead? Choose fragrance-free, paraben-free, and BHA/BHT-free skincare. Look for natural preservatives like vitamin E or rosemary extract